The apex has been done already. You can find a video link in the description below. Apply the base gel evenly, don't touch the skin around. Use the Future Nails Ombre brush and sprinkle a small amount of glitter. You can sprinkle the clear top powder afterwards, or dip the nails into the powder. We have one jar of clear top powder for the glittery nails, and another one for the solid colors in the salon. You have only one clear top powder and used on glittery nails, maybe you get glitters in your powder. If so, you can use a very fine tea strainer to clean your powder. I think this is the easiest ombre, clear and glitter. Do the second layer and sprinkle the glitter a bit further to middle of the nail. Dip into the clear top powder. Do the same process on every nails. Remember to take off the excess powder after every layers with a Future Nails makeup brush. You need to do one more layer of clear top powder to protect the glitters. We always saying that dip your nails until you get the thickness what suits you. No rules for that. Do the shaping and buffing with Future Nails file and white block. Use the activator generously, because it sets the top coat, and wait 1 minute. Apply the first layer of top coat quickly in a thin layer. This layer seals the product. Wait 1 minute. Do the second layer of top coat in a thicker layer. Wait 1 minute. A generous layer of activator can set only 2 layers of top coat. Moisturize the skin with cuticle oil. This is the long-lasting, glossy finish.